What's up, Turbo? Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 171E. It is 4 boxes of 2017 Absolute Football. 1 second. Let me check one thing. Yeah, 4 boxes of 2017 Panini Absolute Football Mega Boxes. That being said, Breakers was not working for me tonight, so I switched over to this channel. That being said, good luck to everybody in the break. It is sold out. Few simple rules. If somehow I lose my internet or my internet goes down, I will stop everything I'm doing. As soon as I get my internet up and running, I will continue the recording. I will leave everything as is. It did happen the first time, but I was on a different channel. That's why I moved over here. Hell, where'd I type that? I don't know where I typed it. Sorry. I'm doing 3 things at once. I was supposed to say Dan, not Dad. All right, let me continue. So that being said, a few simple rules. This being an eBay break, basically what you bid on was a business card. Uh, Hold on. Breakers was not working, so I moved over here. I had an issue over there, so I moved over here. Somebody's trying to refresh because they can't see, so I'm waiting for them. So there'll be a little delay in this recording. But the deal is that Breakers was not working for me where I normally do my streaming at. So I moved channels. Over here. So I'm giving them a chance to refresh, but I have no problems recording over here. This does happen quite a bit over on Breakers. So this is the channel that I go to, which is the channel I go to in case of an emergency, no problem, is www.twitch.tv/giveaway-breaks. I will show that here in a second. Just so you know in the future, if you join my breaks and Breakers blows up, this is where I go. Hopefully you can see that. Hang on. That's not what I wanted. I don't know what the hell I was showing. There we go. That channel. All right, here we go. We should be good now. That being said, if somehow I pull multiplayer cards and somebody owns a majority of the teams, they will get the card. If there's no majority owner, it will go to random. If a card comes out, hang on, I'm doing two things at once. I'm almost done. I'm good. If a card comes out in question, say it's in a Jets uniform, but on the bottom it says Cowboys, and on the back it says Cowboys or has the Cowboys logo, it would go to the Cowboys. It is not the jersey, the name on the bottom, and the name or logo on the back is where the card goes. But first and foremost, I would use a checklist if needed. But this is pretty simple, pretty easy to figure out on this stuff. I've done it a lot, so I know. This being an eBay break, basically what you bid on is a business card. This is a business card you will get. If you paid on time, you will get all the cards that come out of these 4 boxes for your teams that you purchased on the left-hand side of the screen there. One other simple rule, if somehow I pull Panini points, I'll be pissed, but they will be random off to everybody in the break. That being said, good luck. Thank you guys for the fill. Tomorrow night, there are 3 eBay breaks. One is 2017 Crown Royale football. The other one is 2018 Bowman Chrome Hobby. And also 2018 Phoenix Football Hobby, the brand new stuff. Good luck, and here we go. Box 1. All cards do ship. Thank you guys for the fill. And any help tomorrow night would be greatly appreciated. Empty. Four packs. Good luck. Here we go. Pack 1. Kids Reporter. That I believe has the hit, so I'm going to save it. This has the other hit, so I'm going to save that as well. Here we go. All right, so this is going to end up being pack 1. Kids Reporter. Sammy Watkins, Baldwin, Le'Veon Bell, Jordy Nelson, Unsung Heroes, Weldon for the Colts. That is Dan. Cooper, Winston, Corey Coleman, Landry, and Tyreek Hill for the Chiefs. Pack 2. 18% off your car insurance or NFL Shop. If anybody wants to use that code, use it. But actually, it expired September 1st. So, no good. Odell, Gurley, Hopkins, Mike Lennon, Eric Ebron for the Lions. Hurdles, that is cool. Congrats to the Lions owner. That is Jen. Wow. We have a green parallel. We're doing well. We're doing pretty well with this stuff tonight. Is this dartboard man? Dartboard man. You and your Niners. I have a green parallel, which is the first I've ever seen. 16 of 25. Steve Young. Grats. You and your Niners. Matthew Stafford, Elliott, Simeon, and a Sam Bradford. The other thing is all my breaks are loaded up to YouTube at the end of the night. So you guys know. Good luck. Here comes the first hit. Goes in the back. We'll go like this. Peppers. And I guess that's the design of the card. That's pretty cool. Forte. Jordan Matthews. Yeah, exactly. Honestly, with the last 4 boxes, we did a 16, and this, we're doing all right. Robinson, Sanders, Murray, Brandon Cooks, Antonio Gates, upside down, kickoff, Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. And these don't do justice till you actually, there you go, to actually see the light. Chargers, that's Kevin. And the hit goes this way. Good luck. It is a rookie force jersey patch of Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers. Matt, I cannot complain. That is David. Grats, David. That is player worn. Nice card. Juju rookie force jersey patch. Last pack of box 1. The auto is there. Palmer, Quincy, Ashan, Gerson, Jackson, Clay Matthews, Golden Tate, Des Bryant. We have a rookie roundup for the Titans, Tywan Taylor. Titans are Kevin. And our hit, good luck. Our rookie auto is for the Bills. It is White. Devious White for the Bills. Rookie reflex. The Bills are Kevin. Nice hit. Box 2. Good luck. Waffles, you still around? Hang on, I just got to check, see if I got a message. Sorry. Let me see where he's at. Hang on, I got a message. I'm going to give him a second to move over. I'm giving them a chance to move over. Somebody is looking for me, and they can't find me. Sorry for the delay. Wow, Boston's going to go to the World Series. Wait, Houston just hit it, I think. Wait, I lost track. All right. So box 1 has been busted. I am doing box 2 now. Let me get the packs out. Empty. Four packs. All right, cool. He's over. I'm going to do a quick recap of the first box. 3 cards that came out. It was a rookie reflex auto of white for the Bills, a Juju Smith jersey patch, rookie force for the Steelers, and out of 25, a green parallel Steve Young. That's were the big hits out of the first box. I'm on box 2. Good luck. Breakers blew up, so I switched over to here. So you know, Jeremy, in the future, if it happens again, let me just show you on the screen. This is my backup page where I go. If it'd focus. Twitch.tv/giveaway breaks. This has a hit, so I'll save it. That has the auto, so I'll put it there, and we'll go to this pack. Good luck. Box 2. Thank you again, guys. Like I said, tomorrow night I have 3 breaks. And could use the help. 18% off your car insurance. And they go like this. Good luck. Des Bryant. Sanders. Murray. Cooks. We have a rookie roundup. John Ross for the Bengals. That is Danny. Nice card. That would be 86 of 100. Red parallel. Javaris Landry for the Dolphins. And that is Kevin, if it would decide it wants to focus. There you go, Kevin. 86 of 100. Red parallel. Congrats, sir. I'll sleeve that in a second. Palmer, Quincy, Ashan, and Pierre Gerson. Let me sleeve this guy. Pack 2, box 2. Kids Reporter. This pack looks interesting to me. Palmer, Quincy, Ashan, Gerson. Looks like I just seen some of that. Peppers, Mike Lennon. Maybe because they were upside down. Jackson, Clay Matthews, Golden Tate, Ah, that's why. Kickoff, old school. Billy Sims for the Lions. That is cool. You talk about vets. That is Jen. Nice card. Here comes the hits. Winston, Corey Coleman, Landry, Tyreek Hill, Jordy Nelson, Odell, Gurley, Hopkins. Grats to whoever got the Saints. That is a rookie roundup, Alvin Kamara. Saints. Or Brian. Nice card. There you go. That is sick. And our hit is a rookie jersey patch. Oh my goodness, of the biscuit for the Bears. That is Kevin. Wow. Player worn. Congrats, sir. This is unbelievable tonight. I'm finally starting to get some good hits. There's the Kamara. Big auto. Come on. Kids Reporter. That would be the auto in the back. So go like this. Gordon. Hilton. Lamar Miller. Upside down, Amari Cooper for the Raiders. Andy Dalton. Watkins. Baldwin. Le'Veon Bell. We have a Gurley Hurdles for the Rams. Focus. And our auto, which would be this way. Good luck. Our rookie auto is for the Broncos. Jake Butt. Rookie Reflex. Red parallel. Broncos are dartboard man. Congrats, Dan. Nice hit. All right, that's box 2. Let's go to box 3. Wow, that's gone. Oh no. Sorry, caught it. Sorry. I have the game on in the background. Empty. 4 packs. That's the auto. That is the hit. Yes. So we'll start here. Kids Reporter. David Johnson. Stephon Diggs. Terrell Pryor Sr. Carson Wentz. Upside down for the Browns. Jim Brown, kickoff. The Browns are Kevin. Elliott, Trevor Simeon, Bradford, Edelman, and Melvin Gordon round out the first pack of box 3. Pack 2, 18% off. We have Robert Woods, J.J. Watt, Jordan Howard, Lynch. Rookie roundup for the Titans, Corey Davis. That is Kevin. Congrats, Kevin. That is a special parallel coming. T.Y. Hilton, Lamar Miller. Upside down again is Cooper. Upside down again is the Winston. There's the Corey Davis, and the parallel, good luck, is upside down. It is a blue parallel, Joey Bosa for the Chargers. Chargers are Kevin. Congrats, Kevin. All right. Patch first, right? Yeah. Here we go. Pack 3. Quincy. Focus. Ashan. Pierre. Peppers. Mike Wallace. Haven't seen him yet. Tyrod Taylor. Haven't seen him yet. Bosa. Alan Hearns. Different pack completely. Hurdles. Eric Ebron. And our hit, good luck, is a rookie force jersey patch of Chris Goodwin for the Bucks. For the Tampa Bay Bucks. That is Matt. Congrats, sir. Nice hit. Chris Goodwin jersey patch. Player worn. Oops. Last pack, box 3 with the auto. Kids Reporter. Goes to the back. Corey Coleman. Landry. Tyreek Hill. Palmer. Upside down. DeMarco Murray. The Gronk. Brian Hoyer. Andrew Luck. Steve Tasker. Unsung Heroes. Old School. Another bet for the Bills. That is Kevin Gratz. What is with these old school guys? And our rookie auto, good luck. It is for the Jets. That is Chad Henson, rookie reflex auto. Red parallel. The Jets are dartboard man. Gratz, Dan. You do great with your Ravens and your Jets. Nice hit. Gotta love those dartboards. Last box. Good luck. Yep. Empty. 4 packs. Good luck. All right. Not playing favorites as I'm a Cowboys fan, but I definitely want to see a Mahomes. Come on. One time. Is this the auto? I don't think so. So I think I'm okay with this pack. Kids Reporter. Drew Brees. Rivers. David Johnson. Stephon Diggs. We have a rookie roundup. John Ross for the Bengals. Mikey Evans. Randall Cobb. Upside Down Mariota. Greg Olson. And a Matthew Stafford. Round out pack one. Nope. I think I stayed away from it again. 18% off. Terrell Pryor Sr., Wentz, Robert Woods, J.J. Watt. Something looks nice, so I'm coming back to it. Elliott, Simeon, Bradford, Edelman. We have a kickoff, Tony Dorsett for the Cowboys. That is cool. Congrats to the Cowboys owner. And the special card that I put in the back looks like it's a parallel. It is of Troy Aikman and the Cowboys. Another great quarterback. That is a blue parallel for the Cowboys. Troy Aikman. That is George. With the best team in football. Sorry, that slips a lot in this room, but it happens. These should have our hits. Good luck. Kids Reporter. Frank Gore. Woodhead. McCoy. Eddie Lacy. Antonio Brown. This goes to the Jets. Josh McCown. Brown's uniform, it says Jets on the side, on the top, on the back. Brady. Kelsey. This is pretty sick. Fantasy flashbacks. Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. That is cool. And unfortunately, I'll give you the bad news now. 150 points, which will be random off to the break. I will do that at the end. That is a cool card. Jeremy, you have the Chiefs. Congrats. And one pack to go. Damn, we're doing so good. I wish I would have stayed away from the points. But I don't pack the boxes. I just break them. Final hit, final pack of the break. Here we go. Big Ben. Rogers. Marshall. Golf. Fitzgerald. Flacco. Kirk Cousins. Carlos Hyde. Let me move these. We have a Hurdles. Drew Brees for the Saints. And the rookie force goes this way. Good luck. Rookie force jersey patch is for the Eagles. Mac Hollins jersey patch. That is cool. Who got the Eagles? Matt did. Nice card. Player worn. All right. I will take everybody in the break, and I will roll the dice. Has to be a 3 or higher. 3 or higher. Let me roll the dice. I have a 5 and a 3. We're going 8 times. 8 times. Whoever ends up on top after 8 will get the 150 Panini points. Give me 1 second to set up the random. I got everybody. All right, here we go. 8 times. Starts with Kevin, ends with Kevin. 32 names, 8 times. 1. Yep, there's 32. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 right there. I'm going to check my chat just in case. I'm good. Yep. See what you guys see. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, and final time. Good luck. 8. That is 8. Person on top after 8 is the dartboard man, Dan. That was on 8. 8 times. Person on top is Dan H. Congrats, Dan. Dartboard man with the hit. All right, let me sleeve these. I'll do a quick recap. All right. We had 150 Panini points. Dan, save them and then either get a card or sell them. They do sell. I'm sure you probably know this, though. 150 Panini points. We had a rookie force jersey patch of Mac Hollins for the Eagles. We had a cool flashback card of Jamal Charles for the Chiefs. A blue parallel Troy Aikman for the Cowboys. A rookie reflex autograph of Hanson. We have a rookie force jersey patch of Chris Goodwin. We have a Jake Butt rookie reflex for the Broncos. Give me 1 second. We had a Kamara rookie roundup. We have a Landry red parallel out of 100. We have a rookie reflex white for the Bills autograph. A jersey patch Juju Smith-Schuster rookie force. A Steve Young 16/25 green parallel, and a biscuit jersey patch for the Bears rookie force Mitchell Trubisky. That concludes break number 171E. Thank you guys for the fill. Tomorrow night I have 3 breaks. 2017 Crown Royale, 2018 Bowman Chrome, and 2018 Phoenix Football, which is the brand new stuff. Like I said, I could use the help. If you guys have any interest in those products, please bid. That being said, let me stop this recording, and I'll be right back, just in case anybody is left here still.